The design stage is probably one of the most critical parts of the whole process of having an installation on your property. So it's really important that we get the design right so that your system performs as efficient as possible as it can on your particular roof. At SunGift, we use a computer modelling software program called PVSol. So PVSol quite simply enables us to map your roof, build it perfectly on the system there. We can model any shading characteristics, so we can look at using the right areas of the roof. We can look at panel and inverter configurations and make sure that we've got the most efficient panel and inverter configuration for your house at home. So once we've done all the design, we can then really give the customer a perfect solution for their roof, and we can give really accurate estimations of energy production, which is the most critical thing as well.